High quality, durable, full-grained leather sheath. Made in USA, handcrafted in Oregon. Expert crafted, featuring hand-oiled finish for durability. CRKT accessories have a 1-year limited warranty against defects in material or manufacturing. See company site for details. Top reviews from the United States. Metal snaps. Okay, so I read all the reviews for this sheath before buying it and I was very skeptical. A lot of the reviews say that the sheath has plastic snaps or now they're metal, so CRKT must have listened. That sent a red flag up, like some of those reviews must be fake. I also do some leather work, so I knew I could change out the snaps if I had to. Let me say mine just arrived 5 minutes ago and the snaps are metal. The straps do fit and the leather is a bit on the thin side. However, for lashing it to a day pack it will be just fine. I would not place it on my belt anyway. If I did need to carry it hands-free for some reason, I would just slide the handle through my belt anyway. Optics Planet filled my order here and the shipping was about a week, well worth the wait. I am very pleased. Check out my pic, it's the one on the counter and I'll see you in the back country.